The cats are gonna be so mad when we bring home 2 new cats. Adrian's at work right now. Oh, hello. What you doing? You frolicking? What you doing? But yeah, Adrian's at work right now. I'm just kind of cleaning the house and prepping it for the kittens. A little kitten room. So I have like a little bed, a little hut, some scratching board, and then I got a litter box in the corner away from their stuff. I plan to put like a little towel here, put their food bowls on top of it. Let me go ahead and get that. Hi, Pookie. Ta-da! Now we're just waiting for them to come home. Pookie likes this room. Huh, Pookie? Pookie? You just here grooming yourself? Yeah, Mello kind of destroyed this window seal. Hola, come here. Mama. Mama. Come here, Mama. Mama. Come on. Let's look at the cat room. Wow. Y'all like this room? It's not yours. Pokey. Pokey wants to play. Oh, you're so handsome. You just want pets? You want pets? Yeah? Well, their scent will be all over this room, so I guess that's good. Pokey always wants to play. Oh, he likes it. Okay, Pokey, let's get out of the cat's room. Oh my God, hello. Oh, little baby. All right, we see you in a bit after you get your bath. All right, you're done with your bath. I need to get some cotton balls for their boogers. They're so cute together. Yeah, they got some yellow on their face. Poor little babies. Okay, so we're gonna let them warm up and then I'm gonna feed them so they don't hate me. Yay. I can't wait till I feed them and they just take a nap all day. I know. Oh, so precious.
She still has like dirt on her face.
Yeah. Can we get another Q-tip?
Yeah.
Let me see your little ears. Oh, you did a good job.
Let me check her, or her gender. It's a she. The butt and the whatever is very close together.
Yeah.
This one though,
just
is far apart. You see?
Yeah,
it's the penis right here.
You're definitely a boy.
You're a boy.
So, it's a girl, it's a boy.
It's a girl and a boy.
Oh, your faces are so cute. Okay, you want food? Hello. Let's do the chicken. Everybody likes chicken. Y'all are gonna know what the sound of delicious is. What's it? Okay. Oh, she's eating. Yes. There you go. There you go. You just need a little bit of help. You just need some help. Hey, come up. I knew it. No cat can resist. See, now you want some, huh?
Mapo's so cute. Oh, she wants it.
Come on. You're not hungry? Mapo's gonna eat it all. She's so cute.
She's so cute.
Hey, watch where you put that. Watch where you put your teeth.
Aww. She's hungry. What is Tofu doing?
I don't know, he's just chilling. There. You're gonna sleep so good.
Is that Mapo?
Yes. Mapo ate. Tofu didn't want any food.
I know, I'm gonna try to get him. Come on, eat your food. You got a little piece of chicken on you. Come on.
He's so fluffy.
I know.
He's fluffier than Mapo.
Look at mommy.
I'm so happy. I can't wait till Adrian gets home and sees them. He's gonna be ecstatic. My little babies, my little babies. Okay, you wanna go explore? Ouchie. Go Go explore. Look, I have food right here. Go, Mapo. You want me to show you where your water is? Okay, we're gonna show them around the crib. Here's some water.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, they're so cute.
They're so cute.
I know. They're so fluffy. They're so fluffy. Okay, it's time. What's that? Huh? Look. Come on. Dig. Let's go pee pee poo poo. Come on. I know. He's so tiny, you can barely get in. Okay, show her the litter box. Alright. That's where you go pee pee poo poo. They hate it. And they can barely get it. Oh. How are we gonna let you use the restroom? Alright, we got them their weaning formula. Adrian's finally home. Little babies. You want to start feeding them with the bottle? I need you to eat.
Oh, okay. Wow, that was easy.
Is it actually working?
There you go.
Well, Mapo knows what's going on.
Come on, I need you to eat.
Did it come out? Nothing's coming out.
Hold on, let me read the instructions.
No wonder she's like, I don't want this.
Elizabeth had to poke a hole, I guess. Yay.
Oh, so cute.
Sorry, new parent mistake. There's no hole, but I get to make the hole.
I'm done.
Okay, good. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's a hungry baby. He's a hungry baby.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you like that now.
Do you know how much they should eat?
I have no idea.
Yay.
You trying to get down? Okay, I'll let you frolic. Where y'all going? Where you going?
Tofu. Tofu, come up. Come up here, man. Yeah.